Most men don't stay addicted to porn because they're weak. They stay addicted because deep down, they don't actually believe they're worthy of a better life. And one of the clearest ways that belief shows up is when a man refuses to invest in himself. Let me say that again. One of the clearest ways a man tells the truth about what he believes he deserves is whether or not he's willing to invest in his own growth. There's a quote that I love, and it perfectly captures what we're talking about today. An investment in yourself is a signal to your subconscious that you are worthy of the life you say you want. And that's what this episode is about. It's early 2026. Another year is on the calendar. Another year, a lot of men say they want to change. They say they want freedom. They say that this is going to be the year they finally break free. But here's the hard truth. Most men are going to end this year in exactly the same place they started because they never made a real decision. They stayed comfortable. They stay isolated. They stayed on the sidelines. And today I want to expose why that happens and why investing in yourself is not optional if you actually want growth and freedom this year. Guys, welcome to the Reboot Man podcast. My name is Coach Frank Rich, founder and host here. And in the last 6+ years, we've helped over 1,700 men take back control of their lives, conquer their urges, create freedom. If you're new to the podcast, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to turn those post notifications on. But here's what I see over and over again. Men don't lack information. They lack awareness. They don't even lack desire. They lack decision. They confuse wanting change with choosing change. They listen to these podcasts. They watch these videos. They read all the books. They hear all the scripture. They stay convicted. And then again, nothing changes. They go right back to the same patterns, the same habits, the same relapses, the same shame. Why? Because their behavior never sends a new signal to their subconscious. Your subconscious does not respond to what you say you want. It responds to what you're willing to back with real action. And one of the most powerful actions a man can take is investing in his own growth. I want to break this down for you today with 7 reasons why investing in yourself is necessary if you're truly going to create lasting change and freedom. And reason number 1 is investment creates identity alignment. Men do not act according to their goals. They act according to their identity. If a man says he wants freedom, but he never invests in himself, his subconscious hears something very different. It hears, I'm not the kind of man who follows through. I'm not the kind of man who takes myself seriously. But when a man invests in himself, something shifts. Now that identity becomes, I'm the kind of man who shows up. I'm the kind of man who takes responsibility. I'm the kind of man who backs his words with real action. Identity always precedes behavior, and investment is a step in that identity alignment. Reason number 2 is you don't protect what you don't pay for. Let's be honest, free advice is treated like entertainment. If you continue to watch these podcasts, if you continue to listen to the motivational talks, but don't change, all you're doing is using it as a form of entertainment. Paid commitments are treated like responsibility. When nothing is on the line, you skip doing the work. You delay taking action. You disappear into darkness. You relapse quietly because there's no cost to quitting again. But when you invest, now there's skin in the game. Now you protect that decision. Now you show up differently. Now you take it seriously. Brother, be honest, if nothing on the line for you, then nothing is going to change. Reason number 3 here is your subconscious follows sacrifice, not intentions. Your subconscious is like that person in the background always watching. It watches what you prioritize. It watches what you sacrifice for. It watches what you invest in. You can say freedom matters all day, but if you're not willing to sacrifice for it, your subconscious assumes that it's actually not that important. Your actions will always tell the truth. And if your actions say, I won't invest in myself, your subconscious hears this isn't worth changing for. Reason number 4 here is porn addiction thrives in low self-worth. Let's get real for a moment. Porn addiction isn't really about sex. It's about avoidance. It's about numbing. It's about self-abandonment. And at the root of that self-abandonment is a belief that says, I'm not worthy of help. I should be able to do this alone. I don't deserve any support. But here's the truth. Doing it alone isn't strength. It's usually disguised as self-rejection. Investing in yourself is an act of self-respect. It's saying, I'm worth support. I'm worth structure. I'm worth the growth that I say that I want. Reason number 5 here is isolation is very cheap. Relapse is expensive. A lot of men avoid community because it feels expensive. Let's talk about what porn has already cost you. It's costing you peace. It's costing you confidence. It's costing you trust, leadership, spiritual clarity. It's costing you presence and time with your family. Isolation feels cheap in the moment. Relapse is what's expensive. Community won't cost you. It's going to save you, though. Reason number 6 here is growth requires friction, not comfort. Comfort preserves the old identity. Friction creates the new one. Investments in yourself will create healthy pressures. Now you feel the weight of accountability. You feel the weight of structure. You feel the weight of having expectations placed upon you. You feel that weight of momentum pulling you forward. No friction means that there's no growth. And no growth means that the same man living the same patterns in a different year will constantly show up. And reason number 7 here is you cannot become a new man while protecting the old one. This is the moment of truth for most men. The old identity survives by staying safe, watching, waiting, consuming, hesitating. At some point, you have to stop protecting the version of you that keeps failing. Freedom doesn't start with willpower. It starts with a decision that's backed by action. Now, this is exactly why we built the Reboot Your Life system inside the Rebuilt Man Brotherhood. That's not about an information dump. It's not motivation. It's not transformation. It's the framework that is simple. Identity first. You don't quit porn. You become a man who no longer needs it. Structure over motivations, daily disciplines, clear expectations, not guessing what to do next. Brotherhood and accountability. This is not isolation. There's no disappearing. There's no fighting alone. This action-oriented and action-based growth built on daily habits, weekly challenges, and execution over theory. This is about becoming, not just abstaining. This is why we've put a paywall behind it. We put it behind a paywall because I know that no man will take real action if there's no skin in the game for him. And inside the Rebuilt Man Brotherhood, you get the full Reboot Your Life system. You get a brotherhood of men walking the same path as you. You get structure, accountability, and coaching. A faith-aligned masculine environment in a place to rebuild your identity. This is not recovery culture. This is a culture of growth and transformation. Now, if you keep saying you want freedom, but you won't make the investment in yourself, your subconscious already knows the truth. But if 2026 is the year you finally stop playing games with your future, if this is the year you stop protecting the old version of you, then take the next step. We're going to offer you a free 7-day trial because this isn't about selling you something. It's about giving you a place to finally prove to yourself that you're worth the life you say you want. Stop trying to win alone. Stop waiting and step into the man you're created to be. Click the link below or visit school.com/reboot your life. That's school.com/reboot your life. See you on the inside.